Hey friends and followers, this video is going to be about how I spray painted a massive piece of concept art that I've been working on for quite some time now. I'm also going to take you through some of the doodle grids and also why a doodle grid is actually really important to getting your design straight up there on the wall like first time. Before we even get to the wall and putting a piece up there, we've got to have a banging sketch. Essentially, like, if you haven't got a good sketch, you haven't got any kind of thing to go off, and that could, yes, sometimes some of my art has just been freehand and it's come out awesome, but sometimes it doesn't work. So I always tend to try and get a nice, good concept, what I want to put out there, and so yeah, let's show you how I do my, and I always go straight to, when doing my drawings and different things, I tend to nowadays go towards my iPad and do my digital style versions of everything. I mean, obviously pen and paper is always good, but sometimes that doesn't always work how you want. So let's get to. So here we are using our famous Procreate. I am designing my concept art, enjoying the process as we do. If anyone is looking at doing some digital art, I 100% suggest getting a Procreate system on your iPad. It's amazing, and it's definitely helped me improve my art. So here we are with another fresh canvas, going for a nice matte black. Always gets you in the zone for a nice day out in the sun, painting away. So what is a doodle grid? A doodle grid is basically something that there's a load of doodles or lines or just cross hatches or letters or whatever you want to put up on that wall, so that you can easily transfer your sketch, your concept art, your digital design onto the place you want to put it. And in my case, it was a wall. So now you take that doodle grid, you put it into one of those, like a photo app that you can edit on, and you then take your concept art, your sketch, and you put that over the top. You lower like the opacity and what have you, and then put that over the top of your doodle grid. Then save that, and then you get the fun part where you have to then look at what you've got of your concept art over your doodle grid and line that concept art up with the doodle grid that you've already got on a wall or on a canvas or whatever you've decided to put it on. So yeah, have fun with that, because it's a real entertaining and a learning curve, but once you get the hang of it, it's so much easier. So yeah. So I'll start off with some greys and painting the wolf head sort of with some greys. Going to be mostly focusing with the darker tones to begin with, and then I'm going to then lighten up use some lighter tones to sort of show some shading, some depth, some sort of give it a bit more of a 3D accent to it. And then I've got some other sort of some blacks, some transparent sort of colours, or transparent black, which then I'll be able to mould it and sort of shape it so it looks more 3D. It's the idea. So yeah. Hey, we're back at Thorpe, and it's been untouched. Dun dun dun. So yeah, so let's show you. untouched. We had a rainy day yesterday, so I couldn't make it back out because nobody got time to paint in the rain when there's a nice sunny day the next day. So yeah, there we be. Still got it's where we left it, not yesterday, day before. But yeah, so now we're going to work on the face and do the smoky eyes and smokiness coming out. So yeah, let's do it. Day 2 and we're on the face. Getting there with the face. The hair is very different to what I have normally done hair, so this is a new challenge. And check out that eye. Oh, it follows you. Doesn't it feel like it follows you around? It's like a real eye in there. Yeah. Yeah, so basically textured the eye out with lots of different colours and made it into an eye. Done the makeup that I'm not very good at because I don't do makeup, so that's kind of looks like that. And I give her a dead eye because that's always fun. Getting little vampire teeth in there. Getting the knit ears still needs a bit of work, but we'll get back to that. Let's have a look at this hair. So basically how I done the hair on there is I put a base layer of medium brown that I had, and then I kind of whipped the darker brown in and whip the other brown back out to try and blend it a little bit, but give it like a bit of a whip shading kind of thing that I was going for. And the same kind of thing with the light brown, I sort of just in and put it in and out of, keep working it in and out and trying to get a nice sort of gradient. Like I would have gone with more of a flowy look, but I wanted to go with kind of this sharp kind of straight edge bits, like to flick it in and out to give a different style of hair that I've not normally worked with. So yeah, I think it came out awesome. So, yeah. So here we are back again, day 3, and it's nearly there. Just got to finish off this smoky stuff. It comes out of his eyes and trails off, and just yeah, painting all these lovely cracks from the brickwork. Oh, and down there needs painting black. Forgot about that when I was mulching. Yeah, nearly there, nearly there. It's looking dope. I love it. So yeah, when painting the smoky stuff that which comes out of the wolf's eyes, the way I found to do it when I was doing it this time, because I've not actually done it before, but the way I sort of did it, I had a couple of colours and I would keep working it in really lightly, just really working on the can control, which you kind of have to get those little tiny little lines, just really working it in to sort of make flary bits. And then as I was going, I would come back off of it to like flare out a load, like then start to push down a bit more and flare it all out a lot, and then bring it back in and then go back to the gentle bit. So it was very stressful because if I messed it up, it was kind of, I'd have to start that whole bit again, go back over all the grain, colour it all, and start again, and it's like, oh, but I did it! Yeah! That's my concept art of my Wolfmother piece that I've been working on for some time now. Hope you'll all enjoyed this. Could be doing more in this style. If you like this style, let me know, because I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just trying to see what happens at this point. But yeah, subscribe, follow for more, all that fun stuff, and this is the moment you've all been waiting for, the final result.